In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share and edit a Word document in Microsoft Teams. If you need to collaborate on a document without leaving your conversation, Microsoft Teams makes the process very simple. You can upload a Word file directly into a chat or channel, open it right inside Teams, and start editing with automatic saving enabled. This is especially useful when you're working with teammates and want everyone to stay on the same page without sending multiple versions back and forth. To begin, open Microsoft Teams and go to the specific chat or channel where you want to share the file. Once you're there, look just below the message box for the attach icon, which looks like a paperclip. This is the tool you'll use to add files to the conversation. Click that paperclip to open the file sharing options. Next, choose where your Word document is coming from. If the file is saved on your device, select Upload from My Computer. If it's already stored online, choose OneDrive instead. Then browse to your Word document, select it, and confirm your choice. After the file is attached and ready, press Send to share it into the Teams conversation. At this point, everyone in that chat or channel who has access will be able to see the document. Once the file appears in the conversation, click directly on the shared Word document to open it. Teams will launch the document in its built-in editor, which means you don't have to switch to another app or download the file first. This helps keep your workflow smooth and keeps the collaboration centered in one place. Now you can start making your edits in real time. As you type, update text, or adjust content, your changes are saved automatically. That automatic saving is one of the biggest advantages here, because it removes the need to manually save over and over again. It also helps everyone in the chat stay updated with the latest version of the document as changes happen. A helpful tip is to make sure you're editing the shared document directly from the Teams conversation, not a separate downloaded copy, so all updates stay synced for everyone. This avoids confusion and makes collaboration much easier, and that's it. Open Teams, attach your Word file, send it to the conversation, open it in the built-in editor, and edit with automatic saving. It's a quick and efficient way to collaborate on documents in Microsoft Teams.